Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I feel like I've never really done a face-to-face video, but I really wanted to get straight to the point about what's been going on in my life and basically where I want this channel to go. So long story short, I guess as you've been seeing, I have been uploading a lot of YouTube shorts showing off all the things that I have learned throughout my Cricut journey within the past year. So before I get into that, I feel like I kind of need to tell the whole story of how everything started. I ended up getting a Cricut for my birthday from my boyfriend in 2021. And essentially I had wanted to start this as a hobby, and primarily I was focused on wanting to make inspirational cups because for me that just makes me so happy. I feel like in the mornings I always feel like having something to look at that just boosts my mood basically sets the tone of my day. So in September of 2021 I got the Cricut and I got straight to trying to figure out everything that goes into it. And of course, so many times I failed. In that process, I started a TikTok page just showing all the trial and tribulations that came with learning something new. And I found that there were so many other people out there that had the same questions as me, wanting to figure out what is the best material to use and what is the process of creating something from start to finish. So in that process, I found such a passion for basically teaching, I guess you can say, through all of my mistakes. And I've been able to have a big community there on TikTok with over 30,000 followers. And I just wanted to create this YouTube channel really to talk more in depth about the videos that I post on TikTok. And I really wanted to do something that was like more long form content, just because I feel like it's so hard to explain something in 1 minute that maybe it took me 30 minutes to create, right? The journey on TikTok has just been extremely amazing and I'm so grateful. A lot of people in the beginning of my journey sharing all of my mistakes and all these things really have supported me and showed me so much love till this day. So if you are coming from TikTok to see this video, I appreciate you so much. Aside from that, the other portion of what I wanted to talk about too was that I took a few months to figure out what I needed to start like a cup business. So it started out as a hobby, and then I started feeling like I wanted to share my creativity with the world, and what better way to start a small business, right? And it started out as something that, you know, I didn't really expect much. If I'm being honest, just because doing something new, you just don't know what to expect. I just wanted to basically get other people to feel as good as I do in the mornings using my own cups. Ever since January of last year, I started my Etsy page and my website as well, and I started making cups for other people. And last year was just an amazing year for me. I've been able to gather so much experience with starting a small business and shipping and just all of the logistics and like operations of doing that as well. So for me, last year was just a transformational year for me. I had so much fun, and I obviously am continuing that into this year. I wanted to have a YouTube channel where I could just talk all things about small business, about the Cricut tutorials, Cricut tips, daily life stuff as a small business owner, and just what that really looks like in my life personally, just sharing everything that comes with doing all of this. So I hope you follow my journey here on YouTube. I would be so excited to have you, and of course, if you have any questions, I would love for you to leave them in the comments below, because that just helps me so much with understanding what kind of content you want to see as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that I can inspire you to do exactly what I am doing, because I'm just a regular person. But on a serious note, I'll see you in the next one. And if you love this video, hit like and share this video with someone who might be on the same journey as me.